If you're willing to find your GCash, in this case your referral code, I'm going to be showing you how to get started. Usually you can open your actual GCash application. I'm going to open my mobile number. I'm going to be having the element that says getting the actual access. The GCash profile view, it will be looking a little bit like this. So I will be closing this specific tab that will be looking out for an actual references, and you can see they will be appearing something like this. Inside here, for example, what you can do is to look out for your actual profile. Inside your actual profile, what you need to do is to look out for the view all section. And sometimes if, for example, if this is for a specific G jobs, you can go for view all and look out for the actual jobs that you can be finding directly inside here. So check out how it actually looks, the actual link of the actual image, and you can have, for example, the profile limits, my linked accounts, my QR codes, G-score, Alipay's promo voucher, partner, and settings. Now, if you see that we have the actual element of the referral code, it will be showing you an actual referral fee that you can be finding directly inside this element. So inside, for example, when you look out for the element that says promos, inside here it will be appearing the actual element of the GCash review. In this case, I'm going to go for GCash, double click referral code. So if I click directly into which says referral the actual friends, sometimes you will be looking out this specific link that you can be finding directly inside this element. Now, sometimes if you open any tab and go for referral friends from GCash, it will be sending you in a specific link that you can be finding directly inside here. But sometimes it just won't appear unless you are depending inside the actual application. So inside your GCash, just open it, click into the referral and actual friend, and your link will be appearing directly inside here. That link will be giving you the actual access of the GCash registration number, and it will be appearing directly inside here. So if you guys have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. But basically, all of this element will be appearing directly into your profile dashboard. That appears directly once again into your profile. This isn't a specific link that you can be getting on, but if you focus directly into my QR codes and the actual promos or the actual settings, here it will be appearing the actual referral code in order to share this with your actual friends. Those are the few and most easiest way to find the referral code. If you guys have any question, you can let me know into the comments below so we can be looking out for more information about that. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.